So imagine a group of people from all over the world just coming together to do intense work, good work, and you know that you're gonna make shit happen. Learning a lot of different techniques to kind of improve our creative process and then directly applying them. So once you're in the live briefs, you're with this team that maybe you didn't even know you worked so well together, and you just start making things happen. And it all culminates in one grand pitch day.
I'm like the only one shortlisted from India. When I first found out that I was shortlisted, I didn't think it was going to be so curated, especially for us. Meeting all of these people from all different countries and learning about their culture has been super cool. We've learned something from every little discipline.
I'm from California. I lived in Mexico. I went to Berlin to study. It's kind of been a whole world experience.
In school, we were always told you have to enter D&AD.
Before coming here, I was a little bit nervous and also just didn't expect all the support and all the close mentorship that we've gotten.
The whole thing's just been really inspiring. It's kind of opened up my options. We've had to really think strategically, which has given us a taste for what the kind of briefs that might land on our desks in the real world, which has been nice. But it's eye-opening because I'm in a massive agency and it makes you think about the kind of culture that you want to work in.
We got to visit a lot of studios, sit for a lot of talks. We had a printing workshop which was amazing. Planning, strategy and just design, everything. I already feel like I'm one step ahead of all of my peers because I was a part of this academy.
It's gone beyond the pencil. It's transformed into something much more.
I think usually at this stage, if you're just starting out in the industry, you don't get to meet and present your ideas to such senior people. So I think I'm prepared, but I'm also nervous. There were actual people CDs from AKQA and Ogilvy, Super Union, every big agency here. It was intimidating, but I think the whole process prepared me for this day.
Even though it's only 5 minutes, the most professional pitch kind of scenario I've ever encountered. I just feel really confident and kind of comfortable in my own skin in this environment. You know, I'm good enough to do what I want to do, which is really nice to know.
Being able to hear the feedback from people from the industry and just them telling you, I could put this on a campaign right tomorrow. When I downloaded that brief, I would have never imagined to just be in that space with that many important people and getting to share my ideas. Yeah.
Amazing. That is all we need.